Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best travel converter is probably one of the most essential gadgets for any globetrotter, ensuring you can power up your devices no matter where your adventures take you, from bustling European cities to remote Asian villages, making it an indispensable companion for staying connected and capturing every moment of your journey without the worry of incompatible outlets. Number 5. TESSAN Type-C European Travel Plug Adapter. Introducing the TESSAN Type-C Travel Plug Adapter, your perfect companion for exploring Europe. It's designed to make your international travel charging needs simple and convenient. This adapter works in most European countries, including popular destinations like France, Germany, Spain, and Italy. Just plug it in and stay connected wherever you go. With one Type-C socket that converts to an American outlet and 2 USB ports, you can charge up to 3 devices at once. Keep your phone, tablet, and other gadgets powered up without any hassle. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to slip into your pocket or bag. This adapter is also cruise ship appropriate, ensuring you have power even on your voyages. Please remember, this is a plug adapter, not a voltage converter. It's designed for dual voltage devices ranging from 100V to 250V. Always check your device's compatibility before your trip. Beyond Europe, it's compatible with many regions in the Middle East, Asia, and South America. This versatile adapter ensures you can charge your devices in numerous countries worldwide. What we like. This adapter is perfect for charging multiple devices simultaneously. If you're traveling to Europe and need to keep your phone, tablet, and camera powered up without taking up much space, this is a great choice. Its compact design makes it easy to slip into any bag. What people say. It works great for charging my phone and other devices. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It has multiple universal outlets and USB ports, which is very convenient for international travel. Number 4. Ceptics 45W Universal Travel Adapter. Introducing the Ceptics 45W Universal Travel Adapter, the number one choice for travelers. Designed in the USA, it offers unparalleled reliability and safety for all your charging needs worldwide. This powerful adapter allows you to charge up to 5 devices at once. With 3 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports, including PD45W fast charging, it's perfect for all your gadgets. Never worry about the right plug again. It features Type A, C, G, and I plugs, ensuring compatibility in countries across North America, Europe, Asia, Australia, and the UK. Your safety is paramount. This adapter is FCC, CE, and RoHS certified, featuring a built-in safety shutter, child protection, and a plug lock system for secure charging. Please remember this is a plug adapter, not a voltage converter. Ensure your devices support 100-240V for use overseas. It's ideal for electronics like phones, tablets, and laptops. We stand by our product. Contact us with any questions. We're here to ensure you have a seamless travel experience with our reliable adapters. What we like. Experience rapid charging for all your essential gadgets with this powerful adapter. If you're a tech-savvy traveler who needs to quickly charge your laptop, phone, and other devices, its 45W power delivery is a game-changer. It's designed for global use with interchangeable plugs for various regions. What people say. The adapter has a compact design and includes multiple plug types for worldwide use. It features USB ports for charging multiple devices simultaneously, which is very convenient. The build quality feels solid and durable, suggesting it will last for many trips. Number 3. BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter Converter. Never worry about power outlets again with this universal travel adapter. It's designed to keep all your essential devices charged, no matter where your adventures take you. This adapter features 4 USB ports and 3 AC sockets, allowing you to power up to 7 devices simultaneously. It's perfect for keeping your phone, tablet, and other gadgets ready to go. Experience efficient power conversion with a rate higher than other products. It's compatible with a wide range of travel devices, ensuring your electronics are powered safely and effectively. Your safety and your device's protection are paramount. This adapter includes comprehensive safeguards against overcurrent, overload, overheating, and short-circuiting for peace of mind. Convert voltage from 100-240V to 110-120V, enabling you to use your US electronic devices in over 150 countries. It's your essential companion for international travel. Please note that this converter is not suitable for high-wattage heating appliances like hair dryers or kettles. It is designed for your smaller electronic devices. What we like. This device is your all-in-one solution for powering your electronics abroad, especially if you need to convert voltage. If you're traveling with US appliances that require a voltage conversion, under 250W, this is the ideal choice. It safely powers up to 7 devices at once, offering peace of mind with its comprehensive safety features. What people say. This converter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack and carry. It features multiple universal adapters that work in over 150 countries, ensuring compatibility wherever you travel. The built-in surge protection safeguards your devices from power fluctuations. Number 2. BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter Voltage Converter. Introducing the BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter, your perfect companion for international travel. This device allows you to convert voltage from 100-240V down to 110V, ensuring your American appliances work seamlessly abroad. Never worry about running out of outlets again. It features 3 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, including PD20W fast charging, allowing you to power up to 7 devices simultaneously. From your iPhone and MacBook to your smartwatch and camera, it supports fast charging for a wide range of devices. Keep all your essential gadgets powered up and ready to go. With included EU, UK, AU, US, and India plugs, this adapter is designed for use in over 150 countries. It's the ultimate solution for global travelers. Rest assured with its compact, travel-friendly design and ETL certification. It offers comprehensive protection against overcurrent, overload, overheat, and short circuits for your peace of mind. Please note that this converter is not compatible with high-power appliances like hair dryers, coffee machines, or kettles, regardless of their wattage. Always check your device's voltage requirements. What we like. For travelers needing both voltage conversion and fast charging, this adapter is a top contender. If you have US appliances that need their voltage stepped down and want to quickly charge your modern devices like phones and tablets, this unit excels. It handles multiple devices and offers advanced charging capabilities. What people say. This converter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack for international travel. It features multiple universal adapters that work in over 150 countries, ensuring compatibility wherever you go. The built-in surge protection safeguards your devices from power fluctuations, providing peace of mind during use. Number 1. Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit. Introducing the Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit, designed for the modern traveler. It's your all-in-one solution for staying powered up anywhere you go. This adapter features 2 USA sockets, a USB-A port, and both USB-C and PD35W USB-C ports. You can charge your laptop, phone, and camera simultaneously. Never worry about different outlets again. It comes with adapters for Europe, UK, China, Australia, and Japan, making it perfect for global adventures. Designed by a traveler, for travelers. It's ultra-compact and lightweight, easily fitting into your bag without adding bulk. A travel pouch is also included. Protect your valuable electronics from unexpected voltage surges and spikes. The built-in surge protection ensures your devices stay safe. Easily see the voltage status with the LED indicator. It clearly shows whether you're using 110V or 220V, ensuring correct usage. Enjoy your travels with confidence. This adapter comes with a 2-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind for your international journeys. What we like. Protect your valuable electronics from unexpected power surges while on the go. If you're concerned about voltage spikes damaging your devices and need a compact charger with fast USB-C capabilities, this adapter is a solid pick. It comes with a handy travel pouch, making it easy to keep everything organized for your journey. What people say. This converter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack and carry. It works with a wide range of devices, including laptops, phones, and hair dryers. The universal adapter plugs cover most countries, which is very convenient for international travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.